Hello friends, and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. In this video we're going to see how to properly use Snipping Tool. I'll tell you a little bit about the features of Snipping Tool, how to take screenshots in 4 different ways that are available in Snipping Tool. Well, I'm using Windows 10 here, so I'll tell you how. Let us see in the laptop. So first of all, you have to open a laptop and search for Snipping Tool. Just type in snipping here in the search bar. So once you type, you can see this is the icon. Just click here. So once you do that, I'll just tell you there is something called a mode here. Just you can see this drop down arrow. Click here. You can see there are like 4 types of mode. So there is something called freeform snip, rectangular snip, window snip, full screen snip. So mostly you are used to this rectangular snip. So here what you can do is, first in rectangular snip you can select something, like I'll select this thing only, this part is selected, and I can just save it to pictures, for example capture 1. So once I do that, I'll show you. So pictures, capture 1, this is the screenshot or a part of screenshot that we have taken just now in Snipping Tool. So this is one feature. Then next there is something called you can see freeform snip. This is a very interesting feature of Snipping Tool. Here what you can do, if you click here and press new, when the mode is freeform, you can see you can just draw over here something like a free form, as you can see. So once you do that, only this much will be selected. For example, if you want to select a photo, a face or something like that, so you can do that and then save it to, it will be by default saved in pictures folder in your library pictures. So let this be capture 2. So I'll open here capture 2. You can see here this is the capture 2. So another 2 modes or features of Snipping Tool, I'll just tell you. There's something called window snip. So once you click on window snip, this snip is actually for taking a dialog box or a window or something that is open. Select the window you want to capture. So for example, I want to capture this window. So you can see this window. I just click on that over this window, and this thing has been selected. So I'll just save here capture 3. You can see, I'll just open it in front of you, capture 3. So this is the window that has been selected. For example, to make it clear, I'll show you another window here. When I'm in this window snip, you can see if I press new, it'll tell me to select the window you want to capture. So it will capture the whole window if I just click anywhere outside this dialog box. So once I do that, you can see the whole window has been captured. So I'll save it here, capture 4. Okay, so this is in Windows mode. I'll just go back, new snip. I'll go to mode. Once I select this full screen snip, so you can see once I just press here full screen snip, it will automatically select the full screen here. No need to select anything. It will automatically by default capture the full snip, and you just need to save it in your folder. So capture 5. So friends, this is how you use Snipping Tool to take screenshots in various ways. As we have learnt, freeform, that you can take any type of form, need not be rectangular, any kind of free form closed objects, screenshot and save it in your folder. Rectangular, you can select a portion of your screen. So you can select a rectangular shape, any portion of your window screen, and then save it in your folder. And there are other things like windows and full screen mode, in which you can take the screenshot of your whole window or your full screen and save it in your folder. So this is a very useful tool, that is Snipping Tool, to take screenshots apart from the print screen function that I have said it in another video to take screenshots. Here you can mostly customize and edit pictures also. For editing like annotation, giving annotation or drawing lines, I'll make it in another video in a detailed way how to use editing in Snipping Tool. So for now, this is it. I hope this video was quite useful for you. If you found this video useful, please like it and share it across various platforms so that many people come to know about this feature of Snipping Tool. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do so to get more of such little technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So till our next video, keep watching infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.